or Coco?
Coco, yeah.
So whilst we were out here tagging about a month ago, we were able to tag 10 individuals. And we were watching very closely. As often they do, they headed northwards to the Galápagos Rift system, and then they headed out east or west, and that's something which we see every year. But something occurred that we haven't seen before, and that was that one of the satellite tags, one of the whale sharks, showed its track heading towards Cocos Island. And after a period of 22 days, after leaving Galápagos and leaving Darwin Arch, this adult female actually went up to the island of Cocos itself, of Costa Rica, at a distance of 600 nautical miles from here. That's about 1,000 kilometers. And that's the very first time that we've actually recorded a whale shark making a direct travel or migration unidirectional from Galápagos to the Cocos Islands. As we're talking about what is necessary right now, what is urgent, the ampliation of the Galápagos Marine Reserve and the marine corridor which connects the Cocos Island with Galápagos, an agreement between the governments of Costa Rica and Ecuador. This was a very, very important piece of data to actually be able to discover or have, so that we can once again reinforce the importance of having these marine corridors so that animals that travel massive distances between island ecosystems such as Cocos and Galápagos have protection when they go between them and they're traveling through international waters. The oceans are extremely resistant and they can bounce back, and they have done in the past. We've had massive wipeouts of various different species, or many species. For example, the meteorite impact that wiped out most of the dinosaurs. So oceans can bounce back, and they're very, very strong ecosystems. But many species cannot withstand the fishing pressures that are currently being put on them. And the unregulated, uncontrolled fishing, which is taking place all the way around the world right now in international waters, is non-sustainable. This is not fishing. This is the systematic pillaging and harvesting of all the ocean resources. And if we don't stop that fairly soon, very quickly, the oceans are going to be completely barren. Now, the oceans are the cradle of all life on Earth. Every single form of life that you see on the planet today came from our oceans. So if we extinguish life in the oceans, very quickly, life on Earth will follow.
La mayoría de estas embarcaciones se dedican a la pesca a gran escala, generando afectaciones a la reserva marítima de Galápagos.
Una flota muy grande de China.
Una flota numerosa.
Barcos pesqueros.
260 barcos.
Barcos factoría.
Fue capturado con cientos de toneladas de pesca ilegal.